everybody, welcome back to my channel, Chanelly767. What's popping? Hope everybody's having a blessed, successful and wonderful day today. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Chanelly. My YouTube channel is about vlog, lifestyle and everything makeup. Today's video, we are going to support everything local right here in Trinidad. So I have a bit of everything. I have skincare, hair care, and also of course I have to throw in some makeup. So jumping right into the video, the first thing we're going to discuss about is Glam Life, and she is a hair specialist right here in Trinidad. She make her own wig, she customize her own wig, and she also install wig as well. And also she have her own products. She have the tinted spray, the weave glue, the wax kit, you name it, she have everything about here. She even have her own line to grow your hair, and that is really amazing. So I purchased her product at Pennywise, and the first thing that I purchased from her is this styling wax kit, and it looks like that. So basically it's a wax stick for whenever you style in your hair. So you know, if you're a wig specialist or you're someone who does install wig, normally they use a lot of wax stick to push back the roots of the hair, and then they use a hot comb to flatten it. So yeah, so she have her own wax stick, and I decided to try it out. Right now I'm just opening it up for you. Right now there's a plastic wrap around it, and all right, so this is the wax stick right here. This is what it look like, and her name, Glam Life. Okay, so remove it, and this is the wax. So I assume, yeah, there's a seal on top of it. Oh no, oh that's it. No, there's a seal. Oh god. So remove the seal, and this is what the wax looks like. And okay, so you turn it, and let me see how much product you get. Keep turning, keep turning. So this much product you get. So it's a good bit of product for the price, and I purchased it at Pennywise. I don't know where else she sell her product, but I see her product at Pennywise, so that's where I purchased it from. So the next thing that I got, we're going right into skincare, and this is the Cedrosbay cosmetic line, and they come out with their scrub, their face mask, their lip balm, their lip scrub, even their body butter. So I decided to try out 3 items for them actually. One is which I've been using for a while now, way back when I was home for 1 year in Dominica, and then their coconut lip balm. I do have one already and I absolutely love it, and I decided to get another one because it's finishing. This is what it looked like, and this is the packaging right there. And it just says coconut lip balm and local right here in Trinidad. And yeah, so this is the lip balm that I got. The next thing that I got from them is their lip scrub. Now that's the first time I'm going to try their lip scrub, and it says the brand Cedrosbay, and it's their coconut lip scrub in Trinidad. So this is what it looked like, the packaging right here, and also here. All right, so I'm just going to open it up. Oh wow. You see that? You know, like when you just open something, like there's a burst of the flavor you can really smell. So you can really smell the burst of coconut once you open that up. And the coconut is so strong in there. Wow, it's really amazing. If you really want coconut, the scented one, then this is definitely for you. And then as you can see, there is chunks of coconut in there, and I presume there's coconut oil in there as well. So this is what the product look like. Wow, the coconut is really strong. It smells good. I'm not mad about it. It smells really good. So this is the lip balm that I got. Now they also come out with exfoliating scrub, and I also got the coconut I also got the coconut body scrub. Everything is coconut lip balm, coconut lip scrub, no coconut exfoliating scrub. But they do have another one. They have the coffee one, so I just decided to get the coconut just to see what it like. Cedrosbay, that's the packaging right there. That's on top of it, and all natural. The description right there is vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate-free, silicone-free, and 100% recyclable. So this is very good, made right here in Trinidad, and also they have their full ingredients right there. So let's open it up. Okay, so it comes with a seal. I brought my scissors this time. All right. So I hope I'm doing. Oh my God. These two have a burst of coconut. Oh my God, this smells so good. It's like it smells good. So once you open it, you smell like a burst of coconut. So the coconut scent is really, really strong. Once again, I don't mind it. So if you don't want that strong scent of coconut, then no. But honestly, you really get a burst of coconut scent once you open it. And this is what it looks like right there. As you can see, there's a whole chunk of coconut there inside of it. You really get in the real coconut in this body scrub. So I cannot wait to try this out. Oh my God, I'm so excited about this. All right, so the last thing that I got, of course, we're going to the beauty, you know. They have Sasha primer, Sasha Cosmetics. So why not try other beauty right here in Trinidad, you know? So I did get the Kezia, I hope I'm pronouncing her name. She have her own lash line right here in Trinidad. She have a whole bunch of lashes to choose from. And you know me, I had to get, this one is a freebie. Yeah, this is a freebie that I got. A whole set of dramatic. That's my style, so that's the one that I got from her. And once again, if I forget to mention, the links to their Instagram page will be right down in the description bar, so you could go check them out. Now she have different style of lashes. She have the natural one, the dramatic one, the one in between, whatever you want to choose from. She have different style in them. So I'm going to try out her lashes and see what it like. Now also there's a cosmetic line that I've been wanting to try for so long, and I got it at I will say Superfarm. So the lashes I got at Superfarm, also I saw it at Pennywise. So I saw it at Pennywise and Superfarm for the lashes. And then for the eyeshadow palette, tobaglocosmetics, I got it at Superfarm, and this is her eyeshadow palette. I'm not too sure if it's her first release or her second release. She do have another one which I'm interested in getting as well. So it comes like this. You just slide it off. I like really about nature. And this is what the back look like, Facebook, Instagram, and this is the front of it. And so it comes with a mirror at the front. It also comes with a sealed. It's pretty colors. So, oh my God, these colors are so pretty. It really represents it represents the package right there. You see, like the colors on the package is like the colors you will get from the palette as well. Oh my God, look at that colors. They are so pretty. So definitely, if you're someone of colors, this palette for you. Or if you're someone who is afraid of colors and not too much of colors, you have the neutral down at the bottom, and you have shine right there as well. They are so pretty. All right, so this is the eyeshadow once I remove the plastic on top of it, and it's very beautiful. Oh my god, look at the colors on there. I cannot wait to do a review on this palette. So pretty. Then the next thing, so I had to get another one, and this one is called Dusk. You can see colors are so pretty. Oh my god, these colors are really pretty, I must say. It's not too bright if you're someone who are not fond of bright eyeshadow. If you're someone who not too fond of bright lip gloss, is it lip gloss or lipstick? That is the question. It just says Dusk. It's like a liquid lipstick though, but these are the colors. Oh wow. So let me swatch it for you. This one is called James. Let me swatch James for you. Whoa, you see that? Wow, this is really nice. Okay, the next one, oh, I might be very interested in this. Let me swatch it for you. It's like a chocolate brown lipstick. This is it right there. And then the next one that I got is Milford. Decided this one is very pretty. I'm gonna have fun with this one. I realize I'm gonna reach for this one. Oh my god, so they are very creamy, very easy to apply, and the question is if it lasts longer. That I'm not too sure of. If it's long wear, I'm not too sure of. So I am very interested to do a first impression and reviews about this palette, and a video is coming really soon about this palette and the lip gloss and everything there that I mentioned in this video. Alright, so that is my haul today. I'm really happy for everything that I purchased, from the looks of it. Of course, a first impression and review is coming really soon on this product. So until the next time, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for what's popping with Chanelly 767. Mwah! Peace, love always. Bye.